Hi, I'm Donna and this is Budget Friendly Cooking. Today we're going to make avocado bean salad. When you come home after work or after school and you're craving to eat something, to have something hearty, but you don't have much, it's very simple to make. If you have one avocado and the canned beans, you can make delicious salad in your kitchen in 5 minutes. So I have one avocado here. You can add, like, if you have extra ingredients like red onion, jalapeno, cilantro, and actually lime, not lemon, and you just mix all these ingredients together and you have wonderful dinner ready under 5 minutes. So everybody knows how to check the ripe avocado, right? When I do cooking classes with the kids, I show them like how to check if the avocado is ripe. Usually first thing you check is color, so when the avocado is green, it's not ripe, and when you touch it and it's hard, it needs some time. So after it changes the color, so if it's dark, then it's already kind of getting ripe. If you like, when you buy, it's always better to buy it green in the supermarket and leave it at home outside for a day or two, and then it gets ripe. And when you touch it gently, so it's soft, and also like this little pit, so if you kind of poke it gently and it comes out easily, then it's ready. So let's hope that it's a good one. Nice green avocado inside. Not bad. Kind of getting starting dark here, but it's okay. We're gonna use some good parts, so just careful with the taking the pit out. If it's not too soft, you can cut it in half and then just skin it. It's easy to take the skin off and then just give a little dice here like that. Alright, I'm just gonna cut those dark pieces because I don't want that in my salad. And you can do 1 or 2 avocados. I think for one serving, 1 avocado will be enough. And you add that canned green beans, 1 can. I just rinsed it. And let's do the few slices of jalapeno. If you like spicy, you can add more. If not, you don't have to. Usually the heat is in the seeds, so if you want to get rid of the seeds, you can do that. And just, you know, just dice roughly. Okay, and cilantro. Now cilantro, jalapeno, and lime is a good combination in guacamole. Oh, and avocado, of course. So we're just kind of adding beans to give, you know, more color, more texture. And we need red onions. So this is kind of pretty much guacamole with beans, right? Alright, that should be enough. And you can add a little bit of apple cider vinegar too, but I'm just gonna stick with the lemon. Pepper, salt, and I am gonna add just a little drizzle of olive oil. I hope you'll make this salad for yourself. If you enjoy the episode, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you next time.